We are discussing about the Survey of India maps and the content. This is taken from surveyofindia.gov.in website. So the topographical map, these were printed by Survey of India on the scale of 1 is to 50,000, 1 is to 50,000 and 1 is to 25,000 scale. And they were based on Everest datum and polyconic projection. But since National Mapping Policy 2005 has been implemented, in Survey of India, the production of fresh topographical maps have been stopped, and till date target of say 100% OSM sheets printing has not been achieved. So these maps are still available in our or the Survey of India map sale counters. The open series maps, because in Survey of India there are different level of maps in different categories they provide. First is your open series map. These are prepared on, as I just suggested, 1 is to 50,000, 1 is to 50,000 and 1 is to 25,000 scale for the use of general public civilian for supporting development activities in the country. And technically maps of this series are based on WGS 84 datum and UTM projection. They do not contain grid and classified information. Therefore, they are kept under unrestricted category. That is why the name is OSM Open Series Map. They can be obtained from all map sale center and other authorized agents deputed all over the country. Few sheets are also printed in Hindi language and other in regional languages also. Then we have DSM, that is Defense Series Maps. These are prepared on 1 is to 250,000, 1 is to 50,000 and 1 is to 25,000 scales for the use of Defense Forces of India for supporting national security requirements. The technically maps of this series are based on WGS 84 datum and LCC projection, Lambert Conformal Conic. So they contain full feature of the map with the grid, the contours and other classified information without any dilution of accuracy. Therefore, they are kept under restricted category. Survey of India is only authorized for preparation and printing of DSM in the country, Indian region. For sale and distribution of the responsibility are assigned to the ADGMS, GSGS, Ministry of Defence, DGIS Enclave and Delhi CANT. General wall maps are also there in this category. We have certain type of maps we can obtain from Survey of India, map of India and adjacent countries on 1 is to 12 million and 1 is to 16 million scale, Hindi and English both languages. Map of India adjacent country again on 1 is to 2.5 million and 1 is to 8 million scales. The political map of India on 1 is to 15 million scale, Hindi and English both languages, and political map of India on 1 is to 4 million scale, Hindi, English, Bengali, Gujarati, Kannada, Kashmiri, Malayalam, Marathi, Odia, Punjabi, Tamil and Telugu language. And the physical map of India 1 is to 4.5 million and 1 is to 15 million scale in Hindi and English both. So you have this map of India adjacent country political map and physical map. Then you have railways map in 1 is to 3.5 scale Hindi and English. Road map of India in 1 is to 2.5 million scale. Children map of India 1 is to 4 million. National parks and sanctuaries 1 is to 5 million. Sacred places of freedom movement 1 is to 4 million. The world map 1 is to 40 million scale and 1 is to 20 million scale. Then the state maps, that is 1 is to 1 million scale, separate for each states of India, around 55 rupees, Indian rupees each in Delhi and its environments in two parts. Also monitoring maps of India, hill ranges and rivers. Then the plastic relief maps, that is around 140 rupees each. In this category we have which are maps which are prepared are physical Indian political route map from Rishikesh to Badrinath, Kedarnath, and tourist map also. And these cities which are referenced here, these cities have this tourist map and guide maps. These are various scale, depends on the size of the city. About 90 cities of India are covered in this category. Then trekking maps also, certain places where trekking is the main key tourism attraction. So these are the places. And antique map series for various scale, only antiquarian interests are covered. Then district planning maps, then international map of the world, parliamentary assembly, constituency map, thematic maps. These maps fulfill the specific requirements such as census, soil, education. So this task has been shared with the National Atlas and Thematic Mapping Organization, that is NATMO, Kolkata. So photo maps, image generated by the rectification of available aerial photographs the satellite imagery, bringing them to a correct scale, and some annotation of details is done so that the user can easily identify and relate information on the ground. Then photo mosaic is by far is actually the byproduct of photo maps, in which adjoining area photographs are rectified and brought to the same scale for use as a photo map for the entire area of interest. Survey of India products for educational use, because Survey of India renders its services for the bona fide students of geography. We have product maps which are published for this purpose, outline maps on various scales. They are freely available in the Survey of India website for educational purpose only. These are outline map of India, political map of India, physical map of India, railway map of India, rail route, air route, railways, sea route, then soil, population, annual average rainfall, rivers, a political outline, the school atlas, ordinary and deluxe. In the educational topographical map, 1:50,000. So they are printed with arbitrary grid. Soon they are going to be replaced by the educational OSM series. There are sheet numbers that are covered in this category. These are the sheet numbers, topographical sheet number, and these are the OSM sheet number. The area covered are Gujarat, Rajasthan, and Punjab, Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh, Odisha, and West Bengal. There are restricted zones also, map of restricted zone as given in the website of Survey of India. Maps on scale larger than 1:1 million of certain areas published by the Survey of India they are classified as restricted. Restricted maps are issued to Government of India officials, education, scientific institutions, and semi-government organizations, including the public undertakings for bona fide purposes. So application of such maps must be made on Form 0.57A, free of cost, obtainable from any Survey of India map sale officer, and can be easily downloaded. Issues of map are made subject to the conditions mentioned in the form, and these are liable to be revised by the Ministry of Defence, Government of India. Every Indian should clearly indicate the purpose for which the maps are being required. Private individuals and organization commission funds can also obtain a restricted map subject to their demand being approved by the Ministry of Defence and Government of India through the state government to whom they should apply. Then the digital products, most of the publication of Survey of India is readily in the form of hard copy as well as the soft copy digital data format. The tidal and sea surface data, such data recorded by the survey is already being used extensively by both private and government agencies and organizations the world over, and also by research scholars and educationists. So annual tidal prediction of 44 standard ports all over the world are published in the Indian tide tables for sale to Indian and foreign agencies. The magnetic data. The Survey of India makes regular observation for magnetic data that are of immense value to the scientists. The cartographic principles and design, topo sheet indexing. Survey of India produces the topographic maps of India. These maps are produced at different scale. So in order to identify a map of a particular area, a numbering scheme has been adopted by the Survey of India. And for the purpose of international series, within 4 to 40 degree latitude, that means the latitude are like this. So 4 to 40 degree latitude, and 44 degree to 124 degree longitude. So this is 44 to 124. So this is 44 to 124 latitude at the scale of 1:10⁶ is considered as a base map. This map is divided into 4 degree latitude and 4 degree longitude and designated from 1 to 136, consisting of the segments that cover only land area, not the sea area. Here, each section is further divided into, this is 1 degree by 1 degree, 4 degree by 4 degree, sorry. So this is 76 to 80, say, just take an example, for 4 degree by 4 degree, this is 1:1 million, 10⁶. So this is 28 to 32, this, we are taking examples. This is 53, as we suggested, the numbering is from 1 to 136, I've taken example, this is 53. So each section is divided into 16 another sections, 16, so that we can just get 1 degree out of it, like this. So 16, and these sections start northwest direction, run column wise, and end in the southwest direction, like this. A, B, C, D, E, column wise, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. So this is, let us take one more region. This is 4 by 4 degree sheet. Scale is 1:10⁶. Now this is the, zoomed out, say, a version of one part, that is 1 degree by 1 degree. So this is 79 to 80, and this is 30 to 31, 53 north. This is to north. This is a sheet of 1 degree by 1 degree, which is scaled as 1:250,000 now. From 1:10⁶, it has become 1:250,000. The 1 degree by 1 degree sheets are further subdivided into 4 parts, each of 30 degree latitude and 30 degree longitude, and these are identified by cardinal directions like northwest, northeast, southwest, and southeast, like this. As you can see here, again we have four partition, and northwest, northeast, southwest, southeast. So now this 53N, 53 we started with 53, then it has become 53N. Now again we have made it 30 degree by 30 degree latitude longitude division into 4 parts, that is the northeast. So now we have 53N and E, northeast. So this was the initial scale, that is 1:1 10 to the power 6. Now we have got this portion as 1:100,000. This is 30 degree by 30, this 30 minute by 30 minutes, sorry. So 1 degree by 1 degree sheet can be also subdivided into 16 sections, each of 15 by 15 latitude longitude, and they are numbered from 1 to 16. Like this, N can be divided into, because if you want this 1:50,000 scale, then you can divide again into this 16, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now this portion will become 53N14. This is a sheet of 15 minute by 15 minute. This 15 minute by 15 minute sheet can be divided again into 4 sheets, each of 7.5, and they're numbered from northwest, northeast, southwest, southeast, like this. Again you can divide it into 7.5 minutes, 7.5 minutes. So this is again 53N14, now northeast. So now you have come up to the scale of 1:25,000. So the classification of map has already been discussed. We have already seen, so we have certain brief account. We have just seen how we can get various data or maps out of it. Especially this is for those who are into geography, the students who are going to take the GIS and remote sensing GIS courses. For them, this would be beneficial. Thank you so much.